Hi students, welcome to our science class. Our chapter name is Our Environment and Natural Resources. This is one new chapter and this is the fourth chapter in your textbook, and you can see this in 98th page. 98. So, within this chapter, we are going to deal with what is environment, how we want to protect that, which are the different things that cause pollution, what is pollution, which are the different types of pollution. All these things we are going to discuss in this chapter. As the introduction, just take your textbook, page number 98. Here you can see one activity. Please pause the video and you just want to do one thing. Here you can see 4 pictures. Just write what it is. That means you can see some sort of people are doing some things there and you want to write this in the 1, 2, 3, 4. So please pause the video and do your work. I hope it's complete. Now we are going to check the answers. What is the first diagram? First diagram is this. One person wash clothes and it's near bank of river. And the second thing is this. The wastewater is coming from factories and also some harmful gases is also emitting from factories. And the third picture is this. One person is cutting trees. And the fourth picture is this. One loudspeaker produce sound. These are the pictures. In all these pictures, when you observe, you can see we are doing something on environment. We are doing something on environment. Actually, all these things produce some sort of problems to our environment, and I am again repeating using this environment. First question is this. What is this environment? How we can define this environment? That is the thing. So, we want to study the definition of environment. The surroundings. The surroundings in which we live is called environment. So the thing is very simple. The surroundings in which we live is called what? Environment. The surroundings we live. And what it includes? This environment includes plants, animals, rock, soil, water, etc. That means this environment includes living things and non-living things also. So, we want to remember the definition of environment. What is environment? The surroundings in which we live is called environment. So, the thing is this, we are continuously using this environment. We are eating plants, also we are eating animals, then we are using rock, soil, water, everything we are utilizing, and actually we are making some sort of problems on that, or we are spoiling that by the continuous usage. And the thing is this, we are mixing or we are converting this thing into waste. That means we are using these plants or food, and a particular region of the plants or the food is converted to waste. And also the soil, everything we are making it into waste. So, do all the type of waste are similar? No, there are different types of waste, and now we are going to classify this waste into 2. That is the next thing we are going to do. Different types of waste. Waste are of 2 types. One is biodegradable. And the second one is non-biodegradable waste. are of two types, biodegradable waste and non-biodegradable waste. What is this biodegradable and non-biodegradable? It's actually two types, and the thing is this, for the biodegradable waste, it can be degraded. That means it can be decomposed. Decomposed by microorganisms. So the thing is this, biodegradable waste is the waste which can decompose by microorganisms. That is what biodegradable waste. And what about the non-biodegradable waste? These are the waste which do not decompose by microorganisms. Here possible to decompose, here not possible to decompose by microorganisms. So the thing is this, cannot decompose by microorganisms. What is this microorganisms? We are using in both states, these microorganisms. Microorganism means fungi, bacteria, all these are microorganisms. So, two types of waste are there. One is biodegradable waste and the second one is non-biodegradable waste. Biodegradable waste means the waste which is decomposed by microorganisms, and the non-biodegradable waste is the waste which cannot decompose by microorganisms. Now, we just want to remember the examples for this biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste. So, which are the examples for this biodegradable waste? It is very simple. Dead plants, dead animals, dead plants, dead animals, fallen leaves, dung, etc. are the examples for biodegradable waste. Dead plants, dead animals, fallen leaves, dung, etc. And which are the examples for non-biodegradable waste? Non-biodegradable waste examples are these: glass, metal, plastic, polythene bag, etc. So these are the things which do not degrade by microorganisms: glass, metal, plastic, polythene bags, etc. So these are the examples for non-biodegradable waste. So two types of waste, biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste, and this is all about this topic. I think it's clear for you. Now we are moving to the next topic. When this waste is getting mixed with soil, what happens? Or when it is getting mixed with water, what happens? So when it is mixed with air, what happens? For all these things, generally we are calling a name, and in particular cases we are calling another name. Now we are moving to this, and it is called pollution. Pollution. So that is our second topic, pollution. Pollution. Generally we are using this term in our daily life, and now the question is, what is pollution? What is the definition? So the definition is this: the harmful changes made in the environment due to various human activities are called pollution. The harmful changes. We are doing some changes in our environment. The harmful changes made in the environment due to various human activities. When we are bathing, we are producing some sort of pollution in our environment. When we are cooking, we are producing some sort of pollution in our air. That is the thing. So we can say the harmful changes made in the environment due to various human activities are called pollution. This is the definition. And who produces pollution? In many cases they are different. That means in some cases the pollution cause is soap. In some cases it is some sort of chemicals. In some cases it may be biodegradable substances. So who produce pollution is generally we can call it as pollutant. Pollutant. The harmful, toxic substance that cause pollution are known as pollutant. So what is pollutant? Pollutant is some sort of harmful toxic substance that cause pollution. That is what pollutant. So we studied what is pollution. It is harmful change that is made on the environment by human activities. And the pollutant is the substance that cause pollution. So these are the two terms. And now we are going to discuss the types of pollution. There are different types of pollutions are there. We are studying about 4 types of pollution. Air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, and also noise. So there are 4 types of pollution: air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, and noise pollution. These are the 4 types of pollution. Now we are going to study in detail about air pollution. Air pollution. That means some sort of pollution goes to air. That means we are mixing some sort of waste or some harmful gases or particles to air. That is simply we can say this air pollution like that. Now we are going to study the definition for air pollution. So the thing is this. The mixing of harmful gases and other particles like smoke and dust in air is called air pollution. So this is the definition for air pollution. The mixing of harmful gases. Here we are mixing some sort of harmful gases and other particles like smoke, dust and all in the air, and then the air is converted to some sort of pollutant. That means air pollution occurs. We can say the definition like this: the mixing of harmful gases and other particles like smoke and dust in air is called air pollution. This is the definition, simple definition. And now we want to study what things or how this air pollution occurs, how this happens. That is our next thing we are going to do. How this air pollution occurs. It's also very simple, already you know that. Burning of fuels. By the burning of fuel means we are putting the petrol in the vehicles, and that's how after burning the fuels the car is running to the road. And so at that time car is giving out some sort of harmful gases outside, and that cause air pollution. So we can say burning of fuel cause air pollution. The next is exhaust from vehicles. This is actually connected to the first point. That means I already said that some sort of gases are giving out from vehicles, and that is this. And the next is the gases emitting from industries, power station, etc. So these are the some of the causes. You can also add the points. So we can say the burning of fuel, exhaust from vehicles, industries, power stations, etc. cause air pollution. And now the thing is this, what happens? What is the effect of air pollution? That means after the air pollution, what happens? That is the effect. This air pollution causes respiratory problems. Air pollution causes respiratory problems like asthma, bronchitis, like different types of diseases or problems will come because of the air pollution. And the next, eye and skin problems. Eye and skin problems. This also happens because of air pollution. Next is acid rain. This acid rain occurs because of the air pollution. One of the reasons is this air pollution. Some sort of gases are making continuously to the air, and so it causes acid rain. So these are the effects. That means what causes or what happens with the air pollution. That is this respiratory problems, eye and skin problems, acid rain, etc. Now we are going to discuss how we can prevent this. How we can prevent air pollution. How we can prevent? I already said that the continuous usage of vehicles giving out some sort of harmful gases. So we want to reduce usage of vehicles. Reduce usage of vehicles. That is the first point. The second thing is check vehicles daily or regularly. Check vehicles regularly. We want to check what is the case of the smoke emission and all. So that is the second point. The next thing, use lead-free petrol. Some petrol is mixed with lead, so it causes air pollution. We want to use lead-free petrol. Lead-free petrol. The next is install filtering devices in factories. Install filtering devices in factories. That is the next point. Install filtering devices in factories means factories give out some sort of harmful gases and we just want to filter it and pure air want to give out. Then it do not produce air pollution. That is the meaning of this point. And the next last point is this. Do not burn plastic and garbage. So the thing is this, do not burn plastic. When we burn plastic, what happens? It produces air pollution. So these are the points about how we can prevent air pollution within this region. We studied what is air pollution. Then we studied what are the effects, what are the causes, how we can prevent, all the things we discussed in this region. Now the next thing is about water pollution. Water pollution. As its name, it means that the pollution caused on water. And the definition is this. When water bodies get contaminated with various pollutants. It is called water pollution. So the thing is this, when the water bodies get contaminated with various pollutants, it is called water pollution. Contaminated means it is getting mixed with some sort of waste. So when the water bodies get contaminated with various pollutants, pollutants means the things that cause pollution. So when the water bodies get contaminated with various pollutants, it is called water pollution. Very simple. So this is the definition. And how this water pollution occurs? Actually, it happens because of the continuous human usage, and that includes human activities include working of industries, usage of fertilizers, then the waste from home, hospital, etc. So these are the some of the pollutants that cause water pollution. The industrial waste, fertilizers, waste from home, hospital, etc. cause water pollution. And the next is this effect of water pollution. What are the effects of water pollution? The effects of water pollution is this. When the water is getting contaminated, it contains number of germs. These germs produce or cause some diseases. What diseases? Diseases like dysentery, jaundice, typhoid, etc. So we can say one of the effects is this. Within this water pollution, after the water pollution, within this water it contains germs. These germs cause diseases like dysentery, jaundice, typhoid, etc. And the next thing is this water pollution affect aquatic life. That means it will badly affect the fish, animals that living in water. These are the effects of water pollution. The next is how we can prevent this. How we can prevent water pollution. So, simple points. The first thing is this. We want to install WWTP in factories. What is this WWTP? WWTP means waste water treatment plant. Wastewater treatment plant. That means it is actually a system that deal with wastewater, and after this treatment the water will be clean and pure. So the first thing we want to do to reduce the water pollution, we want to install WWTP. WWTP means wastewater treatment plant in factories. That means don't give out the polluted water to the water bodies. That is the meaning of this. The next is avoid throwing waste to water bodies. So this is the next point. Avoid throwing waste to water bodies. It's not a good habit to throw the waste to rivers, ponds, like all water bodies. So that is the second point. And the next point is this. Do not wash clothes near river banks and all. Do not wash clothes near river bank. Do not wash clothes near river bank. And the next point is this. Do not bath the animals near river banks. So, do not wash clothes and bath animals near river bank. So, these are the points about how we can control the water pollution. Some of the points, you can also add more points. So, this is all about today's class. Today we discussed about what is environment. Then we discussed about different types of waste. Biodegradable waste is there, non-biodegradable waste is there. Then after that we discussed about the definition of pollution. Then we studied there are 4 types of pollution. That means the air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution and also noise pollution. So today we detailedly discussed about air pollution and water pollution. In the next class we can discuss about the soil pollution and also the noise pollution. It is all enough for today. We will meet in the next class with the further topics. Thank you.